Okay, if you have a laptop and a desktop and you're tired of constantly climbing under your desk to swap cables, changing monitor inputs, and banging your head in the process, this is going to be the cleanest and easiest fix I've tried. Plus, no more banging your head. This is the AV Access iDock C10, and it's basically a KVM switch and a docking station in one. So you run one laptop, one desktop, two monitors, one keyboard, one mouse, and everything runs through here. It switches in like 2 to 3 seconds, so you don't have those long delays and pauses. Plus, when you switch your monitors like that, a lot of times your icons get all messed up. Not with this. Now, look, I'm not an IT department. I just want my desk to work without drama. This is for anyone who does hybrid remote work, creators, streamers, or honestly anybody that's got a laptop and a desktop that you want to use in the same environment. Your laptop connects with one USB-C cable. Your desktop connects using HDMI plus a display port and a USB. And they give you all the cables you need. Here's a USB-C to USB-C for your laptop. Here's a USB-A, USB-B for your desktop, which basically connects to the actual dock. Here's an HDMI cable, and here's a DisplayPort cable. Everything you need. Plus, obviously, you get a power adapter. So there's nothing that you're going to have to go buy because this includes everything. So basically, your two monitors, your keyboard, your mouse, webcam, speakers, everything plugs into the dock. Then you press one button, and the whole thing switches from laptop to desktop. Both screens, peripherals, everything done.
All right, so I'm on my laptop right now, which sits right here behind the monitors. I just use the two monitors. I don't need the laptop screen since I'm able to use these so close together. And as you can see, I've got email open, I've got a documents folder open, I've got a web page open, and I've got keyboard connected, I've got my webcam connected, I've got my microphone that I use for all my podcasts and talking head videos. I have speakers connected. I have my Elgato Stream Deck connected, and of course a mouse. Everything is running on the laptop, as you can see. You can see the mouse moving there on the screen. So watch this. With one button right here, all of this will switch over to my desktop, which I'll show you in this image is down over here underneath the desk. Boom. Keyboard's up, mouse is up. Different screen. See, this is the desktop. This is not the laptop. Same situation, webcam, microphone, keyboard, mouse, Elgato Stream Deck. You can see it's still running over there, all with a push of one button. So in about 2 or 3 seconds, I now have my desktop, same keyboard, same mouse, same monitors, same everything. This is the part that kind of feels like a little bit of magic because you're not unplugging anything. You're not banging your head on the bottom of the desk. You're not crawling under anything to disconnect cables, and you're not having to guess which cables go where because you've disconnected them all and now you got to reconnect them. So there's 3 things that I really like about the iDock C10. First, dual monitor support. Supports up to 4K 60 Hertz, so you get your ultra sharp monitors with high resolution that you can use between both machines. So it's perfect for productivity setups. Second, it's a 12-in-1 docking station. You get a bunch of extra ports with USB ports, USB-C ports, an SD card slot, audio connection, Ethernet connection. You have it all right here in this one device that controls everything with one button. Third, the EDID emulation, aka no desktop reshuffling. This is huge. So when you switch between the computers, your windows and icons and screens, they don't go crazy every time you switch. So you don't have to rearrange icons every time you go back and forth between these machines. That's huge. It also has a 60-watt power delivery to the dock. And so when your laptop is plugged into the dock, your laptop's going to stay charged. There's even a LAN Ethernet port on the back of it, which connects to your internet. So that way it comes in clutch if you do any Zoom calls or anything where the Wi-Fi decides to randomly betray you. You know that's happened to you. It's definitely happened to me. Prevent that with the wired Ethernet. So quick heads up so you don't get surprised. If you're on a Mac OS, most Macs don't support the USB-C MST the same way Windows does. So with this model, 2 external monitors may mirror instead of extend. If you need true dual extended displays like this on a Mac, you'll have to use the AV Access iDock M10, which is for Macs. Also, this model does not support the G-Sync, FreeSync, or VRR. This is designed as a productivity work device. So if you're super serious about gaming features like that, you'll have to do the iDock B10, which works also for gaming. But if you use Windows and you just need an amazing productivity setup for both machines, and you want a clean hybrid setup, this thing's a monster. It's awesome. As you saw, again, switching back to my laptop, a couple seconds, boom, everything's here, everything's working. So if you want a one desk setup for your laptop and a desktop, 2 monitors without constantly switching inputs, 1 keyboard, 1 mouse, 1 mic, 1 webcam shared between both systems, with faster switching and less cable chaos, then you need to buy this iDock C10. Because this right here is going to save you a huge amount of time and headache. And when I mean headache, I mean a literal headache, because you're not going to be banging your head on the bottom of your desk. It's a setup that's basically plug and play, no software, no drivers. This is one of those upgrades that doesn't really feel exciting until you've used it for a day. And then you're like, why did I wait so long? So if you want to check it out, the product links are in the description. You need to go check it out and get yours today. And I'll see you in the next one.